What's going on everyone, welcome to Team Bless channel, and in this video we are going to fix incoming calls not working or incoming calls not showing on display screen problem in Vivo Y15s. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix incoming calls problem in Vivo Y15s, first of all you just need to tap on settings and just go to call settings, follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. This will fix your problem.